Hey everybody, this is Technoli again, and we have a beautiful snow edition Thermaltake case. We're going to do a quick unboxing of this. It is the white version, so it should be really sweet. We're going to be doing a build with this, so let's get started with this, see what it looks like. Okay, here we go. Let's get this thing opened up. Yeah. You know, Thermaltake makes some beautiful stuff. You can never go wrong with their equipment. So, ooh, pretty. Yeah, all right, let's just go upside down with it. I think it's gonna be better. Yeah, that's pretty. That is beautiful. Let's get it out of the box. Get it out of the bag, I mean. Well, isn't that cute? It's got the plexiglass on the top. That's nice. We got ventilation here. Ventilation on this side. We've got room for 2 fans, case fans here. Of course, the power supply goes here. Motherboard, I/O shield. And, oh, look at that. It's got a nice filter. That is always good. I wish more manufacturers would do that to keep the dust out of our units. Okay. What I think is nice about, oh, look at this. We got the power button. We got 2 USB 3s, reset, microphone, headphone jack. And we got power and hard drive LED indicators. It's good looking, isn't it? You know, that just sitting somewhere, and that's got your powerful unit in it. I think that'd be sweet. All right, let's open it up. I like that you can open up the whole thing. Wow. Yeah, you can just open it all up. So when you're building it, it makes it so much easier to get in the thing. This is for an ITX motherboard. So this is going to be a nice little system. But it's going to have plenty of air, so we're going to put a nice graphics card in this thing, and this could be a gaming computer. It could be, you know, video editing. It could be audio production. You know, it could be anything you want. Look at that. So it's totally opened up, so you can get to this thing anywhere you want. You've got 2 hard drive mounts here. Let's see. Let's get this out of here. Okay, wow. Look at the size of that fan. Wow. That is nice. And yes, it has a vent on it also, so it has a filter, I mean, so it's not going to get clogged up with dust. Okay, we've got, right here we got the front panel connection. This is USB 3. Of course, we got the HD audio. Got the front fan, power connector for the front fan. And we've got, of course, our power switch, our reset switch, our hard drive LED, and our power LED. So everything we need to make it work beautifully. Okay, I think it's good looking. It's not super heavy, so, but it's built well. Oh, and look at these little thumb screws to get the, so you can pull out the hard drive trays easy and mount them. Okay. So let's see here. There we go. So that's nice. Then we can just mount it back in there easily enough. So it just pulls out like that. Put it back in. Well, I'm going to be doing a build, so I'll leave it alone. So anyways, we're going to be doing a build with this this week. So check it out. I'll link it in the description so you can make sure you see what's going on. And that just snaps off easily, guys. Look at that thing. Is that beautiful? That's a massive fan. Woo! And like I said, it does have a filter on it. Alright, there it is. Let me know what you think of it. I think it's built well. It's just like Thermaltake stuff. Like and subscribe if you would, please. And so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Alright? Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.